Hi everyone, welcome to MG Jen's channel. Today we're going to fry the fish. I'm using haddock fillet, or why you can use any fish you like, or even chicken. Just make sure the fish is dry. Simply cut the fish into small pieces. First, I add salt and pepper. I use a flour to coat a first layer. Before making the butter, I usually heat up the oil first. Corn starch with use of glutinous structure, making the breading less chewy. And the baking soda not only helps creating the tiny bubbles, but also darken the color. Of course, the chili powder is always optional. When you add water to the dry ingredients, make sure you don't pour at once, so you can feel and see the thickness of the butter. When you pull it up, the batter won't break. That means it's ready. At last, I add a vinegar. Vinegar acts with the baking soda and a generous tiny bubble inside the batter. It is the bubble that makes a breading crispy, and that is the reason why I add a vinegar at last, to save the bubbles stay in their places. Grab a little bit fish with your fingers, dip into the butter, then remove the excess. Now, drop it onto the dry flour one more time. After flipping few times, you can see clearly the wrinkles on the top of the fish. Now it's time to fry it, and you can put your heat. You know it's ready when you see a golden brown color. Remove the excess oil with a kitchen towel. You see how it is turned on. Now the fried fish is ready. Enjoy your food. Thank you for watching.